With Bitcoin rising over the last 12 hours or so, prices are starting to look very good and confidence is returning. As a matter of fact, if you look at the overall market on a daily chart here, you can see that Bitcoin is getting ready to test all-time highs. There's only been a handful of days where Bitcoin has been above the current level. This is an extremely bullish move off of the ascending trend line, not falling down, continuing to move higher, and on the brink, guys, of 109, 110, 111,000, levels that we have not seen in the last month or so, and very, very bullish. Now, as Bitcoin continues to move higher, I believe that tokens like Snorter Token are going to move higher as well. As a matter of fact, with $1.488 million raised so far, Snorter is soaring in terms of activity, and in 19 hours and 19 minutes, the price is going to rise again. Now, we're going to be going over some price predictions in this video for 2025, 2026, and 2030 here, so if you're ready for some gains, well, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, let's go over Snorter Token first before we jump into the price predictions, what it is, what they're building, and how you guys can grab some. If you're interested in buying Snorter, you're going to click that link in the description below, and then you're going to choose to buy with card or buy with crypto. Either way, you've got to connect a wallet. Now, you do that by opening this QR code, scanning this with the wallet on your phone, and then typing in how much you want. Once you do that, those tokens are going to be yours to claim on launch day. From there, you've got access to everything that they're building, about section, features, Snortonomics or the tokenomics, how to buy, frequently asked questions, their roadmap, a little magic box right here, and so on. But if you scroll through, you can see the Snorter Token is building one of the lowest fee trading bots and one of the fastest executing trading bots on the Solana network. You're going to have exclusive access to new tokens and front-running and MEV bot protection. These MEV bots, man, these maximum extractable value bots, they can go out there and they can pay a higher fee to front-run your transaction and make money. And you don't have to worry about that with Snorter Token or Snorter Bot here. Some of the features, it's got fast, secure swaps, automated sniping, limit orders are available. In case you go out there, you place a market order, and all of a sudden, you get in 80% higher than the price that was on the screen when you clicked market order. Limit orders assure you get in at the price that you want to get in at. Honeypot detection, rug pull protection, and if you see somebody doing very well, you can copy their trades as well. Now, if you want to see them compared to some of the larger or some of the more prominent names in the industry, Maestro, Trojan, Banana Gun, BonkBot, and Soul Trading Bot do not compare to Snorter Trading Bot. Now, Snortability, Snorter is the only one with Snortability, but beyond that, average fees for the industry, 1 to 2%. Snorter, 0.85% fees. So all of a sudden, now you're saving 0.15% every single trade. And that really adds up if you guys are active traders. It's one of the fastest in the industry. You can trade live new Solana pairs. Some of the other ones, you can only trade some of the larger pairs out there. But you guys have noticed, a lot of these Solana trading pairs, man, they can move 30% per tick, right? Just an hour ago, this token was trading at, 0.11 cents? Now it's 0.0088. Lost about 30% in the last hour. Gained about 30% in the last 24 hours. So these new Solana tokens are very, very volatile. And of course, you can trade them. You can take advantage of it with Snorter Trading Bot. Limit orders, like we said, honeypot detection, and copy trading is available. Now, if you guys do have any additional questions, you guys can get those answered down at the bottom of their page. Or, of course, you can go out, join their X account, follow them, and get your questions answered there. But let's talk about some price predictions because everybody wants to make money, right? So if you go through, we do not have any history for Snorter Token. So we're looking into the future here. It says Snorter Token is the official cryptocurrency of the Snorter Bot, a Telegram native crypto trading and meme coin sniping bot. Snort holders receive significant fee discounts when using the Snorter Trading Bot. The Snorter Token pre-sale has raised more than $375,000 in its first week, and you guys can see that it's already up to almost $1.5 million, $1.488 million raised. Snort is currently priced at 9.41 cents and is expected to launch at 10.5 cents. roughly a, what is that, about 12% increase. We predicted Snort could explode more than 10x after launch to a high of $1.21, then consolidate to around a level of 93 cents by the end of the year. Guys, we are talking 10x increases here. 10x increases could potentially be life-changing money depending on the amount of money that you buy in with. We expect Snort to see a strong growth in 2026 and beyond, potentially reaching $3.50 by the end of 2030. It's a 35x increase from the current levels. So, and these are average prices that they're talking about. If you look here, you can see the potential low, 10 cents, about what it's going to list at. Potential high, $1.20. Potential average, 93 cents in 2025. 2026, potential low of 86 cents, almost $2 per coin, and an average of $1.69. Finally, 2030, 223, 408, and an average of $3.50. Guys, nobody knows what the price is going to be for sure, but if these guys are remotely close in these analyst expectations, there's going to be massive gains available for Snorter Token. So let me know what you guys think about it. I've already bought in. Okay, you just know that I've bought in. I want to know if you guys are buying in. Down in the comments. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.